as I'm sure you guys know at this point, 2023 has been a very strong year for the stock market. A lot of green out there. So let's break down some of the best performing stocks this year so far. Let's see. Number one, we have Google right here, which is up 38% year to date, up $34 per share. Unfreaking believable. Number two, it gets better, guys. Look, Nvidia's up 165% year to date, up $241. And the funny thing is, guys, I bought Nvidia. Guess what? At 100, I think 25 bucks, and well, I sold it at 145. And look at where it's at now, guys. Microsoft, another one, man. Look at that. 36% year to date, $87 in the green. That is impressive. Now it's at 327 bucks per share. And of course, you have Apple here, guys, up 40% year to date. How could you forget Apple, right? I mean, it's at 180 bucks per share, and last week we hit a fresh all-time high, which is crazy. AMD is another one, guys. Look, 92% in the green year to date, up 60 bucks, and now it's at $120. I mean, this is nuts. Oh wait, there's more. Look at that, guys. Palantir up 135% year to date, up $8.60. Holy moly. And last but not least, we have SoFi up 78% year to date. And these are just a handful of stocks, guys. There's way more. The markets are on fire this year. Let's see if it lasts. What do you guys think?